Hello everyone, welcome back. I made this star picture frame tutorial a while back. A lot of people liked it, so I remade it, and I made it so you can actually change the pictures right on the edit page. But the pictures have to be a 16:9 format, whether it's 720, 1080, or 4K. And to do so, if you have an oddball size, like this one here is a 500 by 500, I'll show you what I do to make them fit. Just put your playhead over it like that. Go to File, Export, Current Frame as Still. Make sure you give it a name. Don't use numbers. For whatever reason, it doesn't want to work with numbers. Okay, if you click on it, go up here. They're named front picture, back picture. And you get the X and Y to move it around. And size. So we'll click this browse button. And here's the one we just made. You look at it, it says 1920 by 1080. Let's select the one we just made, and it already changed. You can rearrange it, resize it. You can angle it in case your picture is vertical, side angle or something. Now we'll do the back. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.